Okay, today we'll be opening up this used MotoMaster oil filter, number MOPH10060. And I got this used oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is Nick from Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Thanks, Nick. This filter was in service for 6,113 kilometers or 3,798 miles. And came off of Nick's 2009 Chevy Silverado 1500 pickup truck. Yep, the one with the 4.8 liter V8 engine, which now has 273,059 kilometers or 169,671 miles. He was using Quaker State 5W30 high mileage full synthetic oil during this period. Let's open up this MotoMaster oil filter and see how it looks. So let's get started. You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your end here, filtration. Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. Day code 062422. Product of USA. And if we look over here, it'll say Made in USA. MotoMaster Canada, Toronto, Canada. Okay. And this filter has 8 inlet holes. It's got a metal center core with louvers, bypass valve down below at the dome end, 5 grooves there for threads, and a nitro rubber gasket. Let's see how it sticks out. It sticks out pretty good. Camera's not focusing too good here, but yeah, looks like a pretty thick gasket. Looks good. Alright, let's open this filter up, see what it looks like. Okay, get the base plate. Oh, we got a lot of inlet holes here. I would guess without counting there's probably about 13 of them here. This looks like a Champ made base plate, so I'm going to think it's a Champ made filter. Silicone main drain back valve. That looks nice, no slits. Yeah. Ooh, it's got a nice spring to it. Yeah, it fits right over those inlet holes. Okay. The filter element. Looks like that looks like the glued seam right there, but no, maybe not. Let's look at this. I'll put the number of pleats on the screen. A little bit of glue. Yeah, there's glue on the excess glue on this metal end cap. It's clean here though. No glue there. That could be the seam there too. It's right here, I think, though. Okay. Yeah, this all looks good. I don't know what the micron rating is for this or what this is made out of because I couldn't find anything online about it. But if it's a Champ made filter, it's probably synthetic blend with a 99% for a 30 micron rating, I would guess. But this all looks good. Can. I'll put the thickness of the can up on the screen. You can see a little bit of stuff there, but not really, not much. A little bit. Now a little bit more on this, on this bypass valve. Yeah, you can see. That looks good. My camera isn't focusing good today for some reason. Okay. Yeah, you can see some stuff on here. I'm just going to let this kind of just come off of here and check it out later. Alright, so far it looks good. Let's get some measurements on this. Okay. 2.14 inches wide minus 1/10 of an inch. Let me cut this filter open. squeeze it out, stretch it out, and see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, and here's the filter all stretched out. And this filter media is 46.5 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.66 millimeters thick. Okay, this is the filtering side, back side. And if we take a look at this under a microscope, this sample right here that I got, you're going to see some soot particles, carbon particles. So let's take a look at that picture. So as you can see, that this filter doesn't really let any light through. There's a lot of soot and carbon inside of it. You can see it right here. It's all dark inside. And I'm thinking this filter media is maybe got full. It's and I'll explain that in a minute. Let's take a look at this filter up close. So there's just a little bit on the inseams. There's really nothing on the surface, you know, like not really where you can rub it off. There's no sparklies. This was a little bit of glue. Okay, and let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So the reason I said maybe the media is like full, because if you look inside here, this oil must have had a lot of soot carbon particles floating around in it, because you can see a lot of it. See that? Some in here, look at this. And that oil must have been pretty black. You can feel a little grittiness to it also. And if you look at these, look at this bypass valve, and then look at this stuff. So I would say that oil had a lot of particles in it that the filter didn't get stuck onto the filter media. But you know, gasket looks good. Base plate, you can see it's dark. So it's like it, yeah, it looks dark. The whole filter looks dark. Look at it, looks, these end caps look dark. You can see like the soot stuck right onto the metal. And of course excess glue here. And let's take a look at these louvers. Yeah, those are opened up. Those are fine. Just where it stops there. Yeah, those are fine. Silicone anti-drain back valve, that's nice. Yeah, this looks like it would all work good. So what do you guys think about this filter? And again, I want to thank Nick for sending me this used MotoMaster oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.